Well, hello my loves, and welcome to Vlogmas 2019. Started Vlogmas just a couple of days early because I don't think I'm going to be able to film tomorrow, so I wanted to start it early and then we'll go as we'll vlog as we mean to go on. Anyway, I'm heading to the pharmacy right now because I need to get passport pictures because I am booking flights for, well, for like New Year's, my birthday, and for Paddy's birthday. Our birthdays are literally like a week apart, so we've decided that we're going to Rome. We were supposed to go to Rome in, I want to say October, but because like it just got out of hand and we didn't get to book it, it just kind of like came upon us very quickly. So we're going for our birthdays but my passport's out of date, so I need to go and get passport pictures, and that's what I'm doing right now. My passport forms and everything are filled in. It takes 4 days to get your passport, so I'm doing that right now. I also got my nails done today, guys. Really like them, they're so pretty. I didn't bring you guys to the nail salon because I forgot my camera, of course. I hope I don't do that too much over Vlogmas. I'm gonna try not to. Ooh, what's that noise? I'm gonna try and not do that over Vlogmas, like forget my camera, because I mean that's gonna be stupid. It's super cold today and I'm wearing like a big puffy jacket. Well, it's not like super cold, it's like 7 degrees. I totally feel like an extra from South Park. I love like my furry parka hood. I hope you guys are looking forward to Vlogmas. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to do every single day, but that is the aim of the game. I'm going to try and do it every single day. You guys loved Vlogmas back in 2017. I think that's the last time I did it, and my mental health was not at its greatest back then, and Vlogmas basically saved my life. Like if it wasn't for that, I would have felt like I had no purpose. Anyway, that's a bit grim. This year we're in so much better form and I am so excited to be filming for Vlogmas. It's not even that I'm in better form, I am on top of the world. So I'm very excited for Vlogmas. I hope you guys are too. I really love filming this time of the year because there's so much going on. I have no idea what we're going to be getting up to, but I feel like we're going to the light show in the zoo. There's going to be ice skating this month. I just know it, like one of my really close friends, Amy, wants to go ice skating. Paddy can't ice skate. He can snowboard and he can ski, but he can't ice skate, which is bizarre to me. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna go with the girls instead because I do not want him to break one of his very long limbs. It would not be cool. No, not at all. My hair is so Raggedy Ann today. I washed it yesterday, but there's so much hairspray in it, hence why it looks like it's all stuck together and looks like straw. It's just, there's an intense amount of hairspray. I'm nearly at my pharmacy, so I'm gonna go in, get my snaps done, and my battery's flashing at me, so it's a good time to change the battery. I bought a battery pack with me and my charger, so I have my camera for the next few days at my hands, full of memory, full of battery, because I just know that things are gonna get intense with Vlogmas. Okay, so I'm just out of the pharmacy after getting my passport pictures taken. They are ridiculously strict. Like I knew I wasn't allowed to wear my glasses, but like I didn't realize you have to have like your ears on show, and you can't even have like a shadow. Like there was like a tiny bit of hair like coming down, and they're the ugliest pictures I've ever seen because you can't even like have your fringe down, and I have like a 5 head and I like having my fringe down. It's just very annoying, but I get it because like most people, like when they're traveling and stuff, they will not have like makeup on. I wouldn't have this much makeup on. I've never had my hair done, so it's good that you can kind of like see the ears and stuff. And I remember an episode of like, was it Law & Order SVU or CSI or something like that, where they took like an ear print, because I'm sorry, like I'm all over the shop here, took an ear print. So I just want to put on my what's it called, my cardigan, because it's a little bit chilly still. Oh, I'm so awkward. Yeah, I remember they took an ear print in like Law & Order or something like that, and like everybody's ear is so individual and stuff, so I guess you could kind of like tell like a person from their ears. That's so intensely strict, which is crazy. I remember when I worked in the pharmacy, it was strict enough like to get passports. Like there was so many things that you have to get, but now like your ears have to be on display, hair has to be out of the way, everything. So yeah, anyway, they're done and I'm going to send off for my passport. Sorry, I'm just going to listen to a podcast while I'm driving. Yeah, so they my passport will be back in like 4 days, so I'm delighted. Woo! I need to charge my phone. I didn't realize I was on 2% like every second of the day. Found like this new crime podcast, true crime podcast on Spotify, obviously, and I was just like binging it. It's called Crime Junkie and I really like it. Started a new podcast. I'm gonna drive and I'll talk to you guys later on and we'll see what we're up to. Wow, what's going on with your hair, girl? Let's put that behind there. It is very dramatic over a seat. Oh, who is this?
He wasn't out the other day. Yeah.
Like, hi guys, how are you? We're in Dundrum. Just after having breakfast in, no, well, I say breakfast is like 3 o'clock in the day. And now we're going to, what is your sports shop called?
Snow and Rock.
Snow and Rock, because Paddy's getting snow boots made for when he goes snowboarding. So this is the 3rd time we've actually been in here in the last like 6 weeks, so hopefully they're actually here to make them today. There's like some specialist guy who has to come in and like make the snow boots and get them molded onto his feet. It's all very expertise, and I've been dragged in here 3 times, but I get to go and play mini golf and beat his ass whilst we're waiting for them to be made. No, I will. I beat you the first time and you didn't take a score card, and then the next time he did take a score card and he beat me, but it's so unfair. We're in here now anyway. So these snowboarding boots are skiing boots. Skiing? And snowboarding. They look warm. And ski pants. What? They could be, I could wear them to the football match. No, the skiing stuff. We're out last night and I'm actually so exhausted and a little bit hungover and I look like death warmed up. But who cares? I'm also eating a mint that I got in the place that we're, the place that we had breakfast. We got mints. 2 small boots are ordered and now we're going to play a round of mini golf just for the fun of it, because I'm just looking forward to doing something like just fun, and then we're going to do a bit of shopping, which is not fun. I'm going to try and get maybe like one Christmas thing for someone if I can, and if not, like, I don't know, sure, we'll just go and look around shops. Anyway, I think there's like a pop-up Victoria's Secret here or something for like the day. I read about it online, so I want to go and see where that is, and then I think we're getting Nando's later on. Like, Paddy's just dying for Nando's all weekend. It's like, I really want Nando's. So yeah, I think that's the plan so far, and fingers crossed that I win or beat him at this, because he gets so competitive, and then when I don't win I get really annoyed because I'm really competitive, so it's like a competitive situation. Get a hole in one.
The stars have sent you. But you.
Perfect.
I wonder, could I do it with one? I'm gonna try. It's not bad. But one hand. Skill. So you are supposed to hit it off the rock. Okay. Very good. Did you get it in? Did it come out the right way? Oh, you missed! I just got a hole in one, guys. A hole in one. Just to prove it's in there. It's in there. Now you have to follow that. Get a hole in one. God damn it! No! That's so unfair. It's not even funny. He won. Oh wait. So we're gonna go shop. Well, you always win because you're so competitive. And if I won, we'd be in trouble. It's true. I would be walking home. We're going for, where are we going now? Shopping. And then we're going to Nando's. after, even though I'm already full, but I'm gonna work up an appetite. And I'm gonna try and convince you at some stage to come back here and go ice skating with me.
No.
Or we can go to the one in Blanche, your choice.
I'm gonna see me fall on my face if you go to you.
He's not gonna fall on his face, it's just not, he's not confident about ice skating. I think that he's like a secretly really good ice skater.
Yeah.
Tell me what's wrong with this jacket, Patty. This jacket's fabulous. You just gave out about this jacket. Oh, look! What about this?
Alright, I'll pull that off. No water.
Look at this. Oh my god, it's tiny. Okay, it's like a tiny, teeny, tiny, small Victoria's Secret. So pretty. We'll go see Fancy. It's like a little wonderland. So pretty. So I went by the Victoria's Secret. As you can see, it's like really, really tiny, so I'm not going to bother going in there because there's one in town, so if I really want to like get anything, we're going to go in there. I'm going to eat, what's the chicken I get? The flat one? Butterfly chicken. Because I never think the name of it, because I keep thinking it's butter chicken, but that's from Indian.
I could easily say very, very important things for recording videos.
But we're just heading home, guys. We're just heading Nando's, and I actually feel like I'm gonna fall asleep. Thank God I don't have to drive.
Oh yeah, look at me.
Somebody else has to drive. We're supposed to go to the zoo, to the light show this weekend, but we've decided to put it off until I think either midweek or next weekend. So I'll bring you along for that, for part of Vlogmas. And you have to book it, and we never did book it, to get tickets and whatever. But it's supposed to be really, really pretty, so I'll record that. Like, we'll probably go next week. But for now, we're just gonna go home.
Chill.
He's making porridge for the week, and I'm gonna vegetate and chill and watch some Friends, I think, and get into my pajamas. Look at the Christmas tree.
You're gonna go home and heat up your potato. So explain that one.
It's not a potato, it's a hot water bottle.
Yeah.
In the pajama section of Penny's, trying to find nice fluffy pajamas, and they don't have any. Like, none. These are all like dressing gowns. I don't like anything. I just want like cozy fluffy pajamas, and nothing fits. Nothing's in my size. Yeah, I really don't like any of these. I just want fluffy pajamas. There's nothing. I found a pair of extra small pajamas, and they have Marie on them. Maybe they're supposed to be mine. Hey guys, so we're back home, and I'm just like lying down in Patty's bed because I'm absolutely knackered. He's downstairs making like porridge for the week in like batches. And then I think we're gonna watch a movie, so we're trying to pick something like funny. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm so tired. We're just gonna watch a movie and chill out for the rest of the evening. There's nothing exciting happening. This is probably like the boring part of Vlogmas. I hope it gets a bit more fun and exciting, and like I said, I'll bring you along next week when we go to the lights in Dublin Zoo and stuff like that. And like, I have a couple of things planned for the week. Like I said, I hope it will be a little bit more interesting for you guys and a lot more fun. And like, there's always loads going on during the month of December, so we will find lots to do. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy today's first day of Vlogmas, then please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 2. So I'll talk to you all tomorrow. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.